Next Minor Award. This is in collaboration with the Philippine Festivals. Napakalaking tulong po. Maraming salamat po sa bumubuo ng the Philippine Festivals for allowing us to be featured on your Facebook page at matunghayan ng buong Pilipinas ang Mongkada Kamote Festival. Tayo po ay nagkaroon ng online poll na nagtapos kahapon ng umaga. With an total or an average score of 26% and total of 3,726 votes. Congratulations! Sinong pinakamaraming boto? Congratulations! District 2! Tinatawagan po natin ang mga punong barangay at SK chairpersons.